Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video, and for today's video we have another unboxing for you guys. Yes, unboxing. Are you excited? This is from Dillard's. I ordered from Dillard's, but this is a Coach bag. Yes, so without further ado, if you want to see what's inside this box, please keep on watching. But before we start, welcome. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and for your support. So now, let's start the unboxing. While I do the unboxing, we'll do story time, right? So this item is a Coach bag. You know, I do a lot of Coach bag unboxing for you guys, and this is the first time I ordered from dillards.com. So being a part of the Coach Facebook group, they posted that Dillards is having clearance sale of some of their Coach bags. I think it was like 65% off on their bags, some of them. And if you order the clearance bags, those are non-returnable items. So at first I was like, should I order it from Dillards because it cannot be returned? What if it's damaged, or it is scratched up, or anything is missing? How will I be able to return it? But thinking it multiple times, 65%, I guess I took the risk. So here it is. Here's the bag, and I'll tell you more why I ordered this bag. So here's the inside. Ta-da! Oh, this is nice. Has bubble wrap. Oh, let's see. And it is in a plastic, a Dillard's plastic. Wow. And let's see what's in here. This is my receipt. Oh yeah, this is my receipt, and it says here non-returnable item. Hopefully this item is good so that I don't regret purchasing this bag. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at this. It's in a dust bag, but it doesn't look like it's brand new from the factory. And at least it's in a dust bag. So let's open this up. Ooh, ooh, can you see? Can you see? Ta-da! Wow. Wow. So here it is. This is the Madison, the quilted pillow Madison bag in the color light coral. Yes. This Madison already came out for, I can't remember when it came out, but then people are already talking about this bag, that how they love it. When I saw this one at Macy's at one point, I think I saw the color chalk. To me it feels so big, but looking at it like up close and personal, it doesn't look so big at all. I'm surprised. I like it. I'm not really planning to buy this one, but then I saw Amy made a video of this, and she compared this to Chanel 19, which is, I'm eyeing for Chanel 19, but I don't, as of now, I don't have the funds to buy a Chanel 19. When she mentioned about this is like a dupe for Chanel 19, and she bought clip to make the strap shorter, that gave me an idea. And then on the Facebook group, they posted that this was on sale at the Dillard's website. So I took a chance of buying this. At first I was hesitant to buy it because it says no return, non-refundable. But yeah, part of me saying like, what if it's, I don't like it, what if it's all scratched up? But fortunately, looking at this right now, it looks good. Let me take a closer look and wear my glasses and see if there's any flaws that I can find, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and this bag looks good. I don't see any scratch marks. Though it didn't come with factory wrappings, everything looks good. It looks pristine. I know it's brand new, but sometimes, you know, some bags some bags are returned to the store and they will put it on sale. But this one, I don't see any marks that it's been used or returned or any scratch marks. Yes, I am happy to see this bag. I'm surprised that I like the color. Normally I don't go for like lighter color like this, because sometimes because this color is usually hard to pair with my clothes, and I don't gravitate on using this kind of bags, like color of bags. I usually go for like neutral, black, brown, those kind of colors. But I'm happy with this one. The top reason why I purchased this is because Amy's video comparing this to a Chanel 19 bag. Yeah, that's the main reason, and I'm happy I did purchase this one. So now let's take a look at this bag. So this is the front, this is the side. It's cute that it has that pillow hang tag. It says there Coach, and this is the back. It has a slip pocket, magnetic slip pocket, and microfiber lining. And other side, and the bottom has no feet. And the chain, it's not that heavy, and it's a little thin for this size, but it has leather in chain, just like so. And let's take a look at the inside of the bag. It has that signature C Turnlock closure, and the inside looks like so. Leather in here, and microfiber lining inside. Has a Coach Creed zipper pocket at the back, and then it has another compartment at the front, magnetic flap closure. And let's see, this is what it looks like. Let's try our phone if it will fit. I have here an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and let's try it on at the back pocket if it fits. It fits perfectly, not a problem in there. Now let's try it on to the front compartment if it will fit. Ooh, it fits inside. Yes. And now let's try it, because the zipper pocket at the back looks big. So let's try it on if it will fit. You just have to put it at an angle, and then it fits. There you go. And you can close it. Yeah, you can close it with the phone in there. That's so nice. That is so nice. This bag is big. So far, I like this bag. I like this because it has that option of having it as a short shoulder strap, long shoulder strap, and a crossbody bag. So let's do a quick try on this bag. So yes, that's it for our unboxing video for today. The pillow Madison, the pillow quilted Madison in the light coral. If you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!